What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and today we got a few deals for you coming from different places, so let's go ahead and get started. First off, we have this Bosch Pro Factor high torque impact wrench that is on Amazon. It was like $179 last week. Now it's $163, and if you go on over to Lowe's, you see it's $199 on sale. Plus, it comes with a free starter kit. It comes with a high-end charger and an 8 amp hour battery. Yes, an 8 amp hour battery. So this $199 at Lowe's is already a good deal. But Lowe's also price matches Amazon. Now, if you get the right rep in the chat, you might get somebody that'll just say, oh yeah, it's the same, and just price match it at $163. You could use your Rakuten and get, well, if you're new to Rakuten, you want to use Rakuten, get a $30 bonus. I don't know what's going on. It hung up. It's frozen. There you go. Get a $30 bonus when you sign up using the link in the description, plus 2% cash back. And if you already did that, just go ahead and use Retail Me Not and get that 3% cash back on top of this very lovely high torque impact wrench with the charger, with the battery for $163. Well, actually less once you get all your extra cash back and all that. So there you had that. Moving on over to Acme Tools. So DeWalt is running a deal. DeWalt has another deal that's coming up too. I'm going to show you guys. You can see it on everyone's website, but it's not quite live yet. So right now, though, if you buy two, this deal must be new too because it's glitchy, but it's glitchy in a good way. All right, so there's two deals running. If you purchase one of these single kits, you'll get a 5 amp hour power tool battery 2-pack for free. So you buy the kit, you get two 5 amp hour batteries free. So I'm going to leave this there in the description for you to fool around with. So that's that. Then there's another deal going that's just kind of hard to, there's no like real literature on the site, so you got to just keep searching. Well, before I move on to the next thing, I want to also let you know that right now for like the next 48 hours, Acme Tools is running a special on DeWalt tools where you get $100 off if you spend $500, $50 off of $300, and $25 off $199. So if we go back, you'll see why this stuff is becoming more and more attractive. Okay, we having problems. Anyway, let's just go to the cart because I already added these to the cart. So if you add two bare tools to the cart, you'll also get a starter kit. So this will be the two 5 amp hour batteries plus a charger and a bag. And also in addition to the extra, buy more, save more. So I added this mid torque impact wrench and this impact driver. I've never actually seen this impact driver before. It looks new, but it produces 1,800 inch pounds and all that. So $130 for this, $217 for this after you've gotten your discount. Plus you get this freebie $348. You're in there like swimwear. So I'll leave links to these two things, but you'll just have to just check the site like for just random DeWalt tool only deals. Now here's another one. If you got the planer, it also falls under there. Now I'll show you one thing. If you look and you go through these, so all of these are they qualify for the up to $100 off. But when you see something that'll qualify for both, it'll say something like promotions available, right? So you click that. Let's go to this rotary hammer drill, and you'll see what it says. All right, so here, if you bought this too, free DeWalt battery starter kit. But this thing is $329. That's a lot of money for that. But there you go. Just keep scrolling through and looking for stuff like that. It's going to be quite the chore because it's a lot of pages, 144 of them. So good luck. All right, moving on to Home Depot. This has not gone live yet. So this is another starter kit from DeWalt, but this has a 6 amp hour battery and a 4 amp hour battery charger in the bag for $299, and you get a free gift with purchase. So I could tell you without for sure. All right, here we go. You get to choose from these. So you can choose from the sander, hammer drill, circular saw, impact driver, the very nice jigsaw, this reciprocating saw, the XR oscillating tool, another impact wrench. This is the base of the base model angle grinder though, and then also this cutoff tool. You get to choose from those, and these will be hackable at Home Depot, so you might want to just wait. This should go live later on this week, early next week, because over at Toolbarn they have the same deal, but it's just with two 5 amp hour batteries, and this is live already, kinda-ish. So it's $319 over here, and you add your 2 items. But when you go to the cart, it gets wonky. So it's $488 for some odd reason. I don't quite understand what's happening. So maybe not totally live yet. So we just know that that deal's coming. So get your checkbooks ready. Who still uses checkbooks? Anyway, you get what I'm talking about. Moving back on over to Amazon, we have this Ego blower. So this might be a targeted deal because this Ego blower, it has 650 CFM, which is tippy toppity. That's high. All right, that's amazing. 150 tool only. But if you log in, it will give you the and like an extra 20% off code. And this is sold and shipped by Amazon too. So it makes this thing 120 and some change. All right, see, for me, when I sign in, there's a 20% coupon for me. So that made it 120. Now, in addition to that, though, over here at Ohio Power Tool, we have the same blower, but as a kit for $189.99. It comes with a 4 amp hour battery, not like a 2 hour or 2.5, 4 amp hour battery with the charger and these 2 extra attachments. I'm assuming all of them come with these 2 attachments, but I don't know because this is a kit for $189. So there you have that as well. Moving on over to Lowe's, the rest is just drills galore. But let's start off with, let's see if I can stay on track. So we have these Bosch drills, this Bosch hammer drill. And this is not the tippy top of the line Pro Factor, but it's marked down to $119 with 2 4 amp hour batteries for free. Let's see if we can choose our gift. Nope. Okay, all right. So some other things. Okay, so you can choose either 1 4 amp hour battery in a charger or 2 4 amp hour batteries. Man, you want them 2 4 amp hour batteries. That's what you want. And just buy you a charger. So you get that for $119. Really good deal. Moving on to go back to the tippy top of the line Bosch Pro Factor that will that you can program your angles and all that other good stuff. This is back to $199, but you also get that charger and an 8 amp hour battery, or maybe 2 8 amp hour batteries. Let's see. It's sold out. So this actually goes in and out of stock though. The 2 8 amp hour batteries. I would keep looking out for this. If you could find it with the 2 8 amp hour batteries, I would totally do it, or maybe go in store. You could do it. But though that is that. Okay, so those are the Bosch deals. And let's go over to Tractor Supply. I want to show you these Makita deals real quick. So Tractor Supply, and it's not like you got to hunt this down. You can obviously do standard delivery and get this $100 for this kit. You get a Makita subcompact impact driver with a 2 amp hour battery charger in the back for $100. They also have the subcompact drill with a 2 amp hour battery charger in a bag for also $100. But consider that. I mean, for $200, if you bought both, you're going to spend $200 on the dot. You're going to get 2 amp hour batteries, the drill, and the subcompact impact driver, 2 chargers and 2 bags, which is kind of redundant, right? But if you come back over to Lowe's, we have this Metabo HPT deal with the same, small impact driver, which I don't even remember the specs on the other one. I ain't checked. But I do know that the drill is a little more powerful and it's lighter. So this impact driver delivers 1,240 inch-pounds, whereas this one delivers 1,240. All right, so it's the same. 5.25 inches, 2.6 pounds with the battery, 5.3 inches for the impact driver, and 1.8 pounds. That's probably not with the battery though. So they're very similar. The differences come into the price. Obviously, this is $179, and then also these have lifetime warranties. But wait, there's more. If you don't care about battery gauges, you have the same drill and the same impact driver with a battery bag and 2 1.5 amp hour batteries for $125. $125.27, and that's really appealing right there. But if you also just like, I like getting them separately like that, then maybe consider, if you're not looking for something super duper compact, this 18 volt Metabo HPT drill, much more powerful at 620 inch pounds. This drill produces 350 inch pounds, and then this drill, the smaller Metabo HPT, which I have this thing, and it's actually quite powerful for its size. It produces 485 inch-pounds. It's a powerful little drill, man. It really is. It feels really good in your hand. The ergonomics are there. I mean, I haven't really held a Makita tool that I didn't like in my hand either, though. So ergonomics should be there for this one. Never held it. But if you want something a little more powerful, you can take a gander at this with two 1.5 amp hour batteries, a charger, a bag, and a little bit right there for $99. And that is it. Remember, this also has your lifetime warranty in every store except for Ohio Power Tools, you guys. And Amazon also has your Rakuten, so don't forget about that. Or you can even try extra bucks. You get $20 to sign up for that. And if not, if you already got all your bonuses, try Retail Me Now. Once again, thank you so much for all your support, and I'll see you guys next time.